5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 200. Turn left 1 wide. So this will be turn left 1 wide, quick right 6. Tidy right 5 plus. And left 5 plus long. 150 line. This is left 5 plus long. 150 line to a brow 200. Then right 4 drops. So at the end it's a right 4 drops. 200. After 200, it's right 5 minus off over crest and left 5 minus over crest, jump baby, drops. 80, brow and right 4. 50, so this is right 4, 50, bump, quick, short left 4.
Oh, fuck.
You want a slippy?
Yeah.
Short left 4, 50, then right 4, switch, left 5 long, switch, right 5 over crest, switch, left 4 plus long, 300 line, to a right 5 over 30, tighten, and, so up here, right 5 over 30, it tightens, and left 5 minus long, opens over 80, and then tightens.
Repeat.
This is left 5 minus long, it opens over 80, then tightens. Switch, caution, right 6 over 50, tightens, 3 minus, off. Switch, left 4, 350. Good job. After 350, it's a left 4 over jump baby, and right 6 over 50. Tightens 4, so this is left 4 over jump maybe, and right 6 over 50, tightens 4. So up here it's going to tighten 4, and short left 4, don't. 250 over 3 crests. Then you go easy over the 4th crest to a setup right 4. So easy over the 4th, then setup right 4, 50. Left 3 plus and left 5 minus off.
Oh!
You okay? You're good? Left 5 minus off. That's a don't up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Right 5 minus off, tightens 3. This is going to tighten 3, then it tightens again over jump maybe, 50, caution, short, left 3, sudden right 3. Sudden right 3 here, 100 line.
Good job. Got it.
Right 4 minus up here, 50. Left 4 plus. Left 4 plus. And right 3 off, quick left 5. This is right 3 off, quick left 5. And care, left 3 tighten. Switch right 3 off. And left 5 minus over jump maybe.
Right 3.
Yep, this is left 5 minus over jump maybe, 50, and a left 4 off. Opens and then tightens, 50. Right 3 long. Right 3 long and slippy, 80 line. Right 4 at the end, and left 3 don't, 50. This is left 3 don't, 50. Care, left 3 over crest, quick right 5. This is care, left 3 over crest, quick left right 5, and short left 3 minus, quick right 3, very long. Then keep right over, keep rightish over crest. So it'll be and keep rightish over crest, and left 3 plus, don't. So left 3 plus, don't. 100 line. To a setup, right 4 over crest, 200 line. This is right 4 over crest, 200 line. To a left 3 and left 5. So this will be left 3 and left 5. and right 4 tightens. Quick short left 3. Quick right 4. So this will be quick right 4, quick left 3, quick right 5. So here's quick right 5 and right 3 minus, wide, quick left 4.
Oh, fuck.
This is left 4 and left 4 minus, quick right 3 minus, tightens 2 to a switch, left 3 tightens 2. 30, right 2 off. This is right 2 off. Quick, left 5 don't. 80 line to a left 4 minus. Quick right 3.
Left what?
Left 4 minus. Quick right 3. Quick left 4. Quick right 4 over 50. Tightens to 3. There's a car off at 90. They're okay. This is going to tighten 3, then 150. Keep right over crest to a quick left 3, don't. So crest, quick left 3, don't. 80. Crest 80. Then, so 80, crest 80, then jump maybe, 50, left 5 plus, over 80, tightens. To a quick right 5. It's going to tighten here to a quick right 5. Quick left 6, and right 6 over crest, and left 5 don't, slippy maybe, 50. This is left 5 don't, slippy maybe, 50, right 4, 50. Then set up right 4 over crest, it drops, 80 to a crest 50. Then another crest. Slowing 50, care, left 4, tightens 3, care, left 4, tightens 2, sorry, it tightens 2. Ooh, switch right 2, drops. 80. Short right 3 plus, don't.
Repeat.
Short right 3 plus, don't. And left 4, quick right 5. 200. After 200, it's right 6 over crest and left 6, 80. So this is left 6, 80, crest, quick, left 4, long, 50, left 4 long here, 50, right 3. We've got a right 3 here, 100. Left 4 minus, quick, right 3, off, long, don't. Quick, left 4.
Wait.
This is off, long, don't. Quick, left 4, shut it down. Good job.
Holy shit.
That was so loose.
Huh?
It was so loose.
Very loose. And we lost some alignment.
Okay. From that.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a big hit. Sorry.
That's okay.
I should have not cut. And we had it in the stage notes, but yeah. I lost quite a bit of alignment. I need to see. Oof.
Take care of this first.
Yeah. No.
Camera.